Alright, in order to search in Vim, I prepared a text file, 1.txt, and as you can see, it has a lot of different text patterns. Here you can see some kind of random text or some random string, and you can see that there are multiple cat patterns. And let's pretend we want to search for cat3. I would then just press slash and make sure you're not in the that you're in the neutral VIM editor mode and not in the insert mode or anything like that. You press slash to find the pattern, and then you type the pattern you want to search for. In this case, I want to search for cat3, and you're in that line. And then you can do whatever you want. You can go to visual line mode or visual block mode and edit things here. In this case, I'm just going to press escape and go back to the first line. And let's pretend we want to search for all cat patterns. Then I would just type slash cat, hit enter, and then we're at the first result, second, third, fourth, n. And if you want to go back, you can press Ctrl O, and it lets you move back, or hit N again and go back to the previous result. So you can go back with Ctrl O to the previous search results. And that's basically it.